GTS Transportation. Yes, I'm calling the company out because this company has truck drivers representing them. So this woman, she's brushing her teeth. Brushing her teeth, taking swigs out of that water bottle, and then just spitting right there in the grass. First of all, she's nosed in to the parking spot. And it's, and we're at a truck stop. We're at Love's. I just don't understand why you just can't go inside to the women's bathroom and just brush your teeth in there. I mean, can you please help me with this situation? I mean, I'm trying to understand. Okay, we're done. Done brushing our teeth. Good. Good lady. Good way to set the example.